I work in learning and organizational development, like human resources. I've always liked coding. I always like, infrastructure and systems. And so I'm really happy with the content in Cloud Academy. I think it's really good. Yeah, I used it to get certified. I got my AWS cloud practitioner. So I passed my exam, which was great. And so now that everything's gone on the cloud, back when I was studying, believe it or not, the cloud was a big thing, but not every business was on it. It wasn't like now where everyone is doing it. So I'm just trying to keep up to date. Yeah, the number one feature I like is the labs, because you can just go in there and you don't need to sign up for, like if I want to look at Azure, if I want anything I want to look at, there's a lab for me to go in and just have a play without having to sign up for my own account. Or with AWS, although it's mostly free tier eligible anyway, it's just nice to know that I'm not going to go in there and charge like lots of money to my account by accident. I have looked at some of the blogs. So if in the learning path, there's a link to a blog, I will sometimes click on that link. If it's in the learning path, I will probably take a look at it. And I thought the blog, they're just like articles, aren't they? And I thought those are pretty good.